Did you know that one woman completely changed her life by pretending she only had 6 months to live? Diana was a teacher who felt stuck. She watched her grandmother die full of regrets about dreams she never chased and chances she never took. That's when Diana decided to make every choice as if she had just 6 months left. She asked herself tough questions. Would she really spend her final months at boring family events? Would she stay with her nice but boring boyfriend? Would she work overtime for a boss who didn't care about her? The answers were clear. Diana left her comfortable relationship. She moved across the country for her dream job, even though her family made her feel guilty. She stopped buying things to impress others and started investing in experiences that made her happy. At first, people were upset, but Diana felt something she'd never felt before: true peace. She was finally living by her own values, not everyone else's expectations. Diana discovered the secret that changed everything. Living like you're dying is actually how you feel fully alive.